Hi, I'm Kitt Parker. I'll be your instructor for this course. SQL Bootcamp Level 1 is a fast-paced, enveloped introduction to the SQL programming language. But before we get started, let me tell you a little about myself and why you should be excited to learn SQL here on the Cybrary website. I have been in the IT programming/development space professionally for over 6 years. I also earned my computer science degree at a local university while working full-time in an IT department performing many different technology functions. This varied from building servers that adequately support business needs to developing applications for my local business users. I had a great experience learning the theory and various applications of software engineering in the evening and weekends at the local university while applying and learning various skills professionally. Now, with that said, SQL is probably the programming language I have the most experience with. I have experience with other languages, such as C++, Python, or PHP, but everything gets stored in a database. So whether I'm programming in Python, PHP, or some other language, I commonly find myself writing SQL to interact with a database through whatever language I happen to be in. SQL is a fantastic language to get experience with. It's the most common database language available and in use. Also, it's used by all the major vendors, from Microsoft to IBM, as well as many others. In the next lesson, we'll do a course overview and briefly discuss all the key points we will be going over during this course. Getting comfortable with the SQL language will open many doors for you. With that said, let's dive in and get started.